Garage. We are at Luftwassser. We're at the track day. However, we're also going to go for a few laps in an Audi RS2.
Welcome to Luftwassser 22. This is my Audi RS2, which is built by Porsche. And I'll just show you around the car if you like.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Okay, come with me, Scott. So,
inside.
So, Recaro seats, 6-speed manual gearbox.
Blue carbon fibre. We're going to take a good look at it on the inside because we have been on track.
Yes, that's it.
So that'll be good fun.
Okay, take a look at the engine.
There is a lot going on here today. There we go. Engine.
Okay, engine. So it's a twin cam 20 valve 5-cylinder, 2.2 litres. Essentially an Audi engine that's been redeveloped by Porsche. Yep. So it's got a different intake manifold, different injectors, different turbocharger, different intercooler. The standard S2 engine made about 230 horsepower on overboost, and these make 315 horsepower. So 0 to 100 times about 4.7 seconds, and they'll do about 200, and I've seen about 280 indicated on an Autobahn in this when I had it in Europe.
We didn't talk about this before we did the laps on track. Now that makes a lot more sense about how quick it was actually going.
Yeah, it's got tons of top end punch, and it really still accelerates quite hard over 200 all the way up. So
I don't know if we'll pick it up with the audio.
You won't, because it's so quiet. It's a typical German 90s car, and the exhaust systems weren't very loud. They're quite strict with their rules over there. So, but it's got tons of torque, and it punches along really nicely.
Yeah, and a couple of the Porsches passed us. However, that was just because they were quicker coming out of a corner.
Correct.
And then on this track, it kind of there's enough corners that adds up over
this has got, Porsche brakes on it, 968 sort of 964 brakes on it, and it pulls up really, really well. So under brakes, you can certainly, not lose a lot of time compared to the modern cars that we're on the track with.
Yeah. All right. Well, we will immediately cut to on track.
Okay, great. See you out there.
There we go. Red light.
It's very nice inside.
Sorry?
It's very nice inside, like the carbon fibre.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's got a blue weave through it, which is kind of nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Are you saying goodbye?
Don't say that.
That's not aged at all, has it?
No, it's just mate. It's hasn't been. It's been in the cold UK sun for many years.
Sunshine, has it?
And then it's been in the warehouse. Doesn't sort of get a huge amount of exercise. Probably only done about 4,000 or 5,000 miles since it got here in 10 years.
Here we go. So smooth in the gears.
Yeah, isn't it?
I definitely wasn't hitting that corner tight enough.
Yeah, okay. He nearly hit the wall on the exit there. It was that fucking tight.
Oh really?
Yeah. fucking ripple strip, get a bit of wheel spin, the boost comes up quicker.
We would have got some excellent footage of him.
Yeah,
That helicopter
absolutely.
going round in front of us.
He's right up behind us.
Yeah. That's a quick car.
It's fucking awesome, isn't it? I need to get one of them.
Yeah, he's giving it some.
Yeah, isn't he? He's got a passenger and he's just going nuts.
The roll's not too bad. I expected it to be a little bit.
Yeah.
It's fairly stiff. For kind of what car it is. Tell it wants to give a little bit, though.
Yeah. Oil temp gets up a bit.
Yeah, but that's still not bad though.
Yeah. Anything more than 130 is a little concerning. It gets down here alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
How quiet is it? You don't get any engine noise, do you?
No,
You can hear the
quiet,
turbo.
smooth.
You can hear the turbo flutter, but that's about it.
Well, that Audi, great trip around the track, solid, firm, so smooth, and just really quiet in the car. We had a couple of people kind of spin off in front of us, so I hope we've got that footage in the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.